All right, in this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to use Namecheap so you can set it up with your Systeme.io account. Okay, so I'm already logged into my Namecheap and I'm already logged into my Systeme.io account. And where you're going to find this screen is you're going to go under your profile and then under settings. And there's an option here called custom domains. Now, having a custom domain is absolutely mandatory for any kind of platform now because of regulations by Google and Yahoo for delivery. So when you come in here, you're going to see your username.systeme.io, and you can still build pages on that. But if you want to be able to send emails, you're going to have to register your own domain. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You can add multiple domains here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add a domain. Okay. And so I'm going to put www. I'm going to pick the domain that I'm going to use. In this case, it's going to be Brilliant Webinars. Okay. So I'm going to copy the domain name, put www.brilliantwebinars, and I'll make sure to put the www in there. So now it's going to say, here are what we need for the CNAME records. And for Namecheap, what we're going to do is we're going to copy the www part here, and we're going to go into your domain, and we're going to click manage beside your domain. Once this loads, you're going to want to make sure that this is not on custom DNS. You're going to want to, if it is, change it back to Namecheap basic DNS. But if you buy a domain name, this is what it should be. Okay. Also, you're going to want to delete any redirects that you might have. But you're going to go into advanced DNS, and this is where the magic happens. So if you have some records here, you're going to want to delete these records and just start fresh. And we're going to add a new record. So we're going to add a CNAME record, and the host is going to be www. And then the value is all of this. And we're going to click check. Okay. And then we're going to add this second DNS record. Okay. And we're going to take everything here before the dot. Okay. And we're going to add a new record. And this is also going to be a CNAME record. And so we're going to paste that in. Okay. Not including the dot. And then we're going to get this entire value and paste it in here. Okay. And this is really all that you need to do in order to get your domain name set up. Now, keep in mind, it will take some time for this to propagate and to be ready to use. And then you're going to be able to use this to build pages on that domain and also send information. So I can go under here, and there's some additional settings you can set here, but that's not necessary. So if you want to check if your domain is propagated, then you just need to wait. Could take up to 24 hours, and then this will change to ready to use instead of pending validation. If you want to check, you can also go to checker.org, and you can copy your domain name. You can paste it in here. And these all are X's. So when this has propagated fully and is set up, then it's going to be green check marks. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. This usually happens quite quickly, and you can see it also says ready to use. So this is done, and this is ready to use in a domain. So you're just going to want to test this, and you can open this in a new tab. And it's connected with Systeme. You'll see the 404 page. Okay. Now, one thing that you do want to keep in mind with is that if you are using this without the www, you'll see that you get DNS mismatch. And so the one thing that you want to do in order to fix that is you want to create one more record, which is an alias record. And this is going to be the same target as the www, but in this case, we're going to use the host as @ So that's an @ symbol, and then we're going to paste that in, and then we'll save that. Okay, and that will take a few minutes to propagate. As I said, usually it doesn't take very long, but the domain's already ready to use. And then what you can do is when you build, let's say, a sales funnel, let's just load this sales funnel here. You can go to the funnel settings and you can select a funnel domain. So if I select Brilliant Webinars, I can select any of my domains there, and then you'll see that this is the path. And so I'm going to copy that. So as you can see, everything's been connected. It's already loading my page, and I can build as many pages as I want on this particular funnel. So it's really easy to get set up. So that's all that you need to do. And then your pages will be working on your own domain. And it's going to be very professional, and you can build whatever you want in this platform. So hopefully this video was helpful, and drop a comment and let me know if you did find it helpful.